Hi and welcome to the world of Diva. My name is Diana and today I will show you step by step how you can add multiple Divas to your app. So first of all, you need to open your Diva app and then go to your locations. Here we can see that we already have one Diva set up in Berlin. Then we go to the Diwas app and here we can see a plus button on the top right corner. Click there and we can see we can create new settings or use previous settings. We need to click create new settings. But before we do that, we actually need to create another location. For example, we have another bar in Cologne. So go back to locations, click a plus button there on the right upper corner. Enter your restaurant's name. We will say Cologne Bar. And here you can see two features that we have, a smart charge and QR code. So what is exactly a smart charge? If you turn it on, then if you have multiple Divas, it will send you daily messages when you have to charge specific Diva. And this will help you start a cycle with the perfect timing. If you turn on the option with the QR code, you can then show it on your Diva display. And then, for example, this QR code can be connected to your menu, or you want your customers to leave some reviews in Google or other apps. But we will not turn these features on right now. We will just click create. So now we have two locations, Berlin and Cologne. So now if we go to Divas tab, we click a plus button and create new settings. We select Cologne Bar and now we can scan a QR code. For your Diva to show the QR code on the display, just press briefly on the hole here in the button. And now you can scan a QR code. Select your network. Now you need to enter the name of your Diva. For example, this one will be Table 4. Now select the template that you want. We will go to Diva templates, already pre-built one, and we will select this one, for example. Now in a few minutes, this Diva will show the content that you selected, but we still have another one, and we want to set it up also in this location. We need to go to our Divas tab again, click the plus button, and then we will actually use previous settings. Scan a QR code on your Diva. And now we can see when we want to enter our own name, there is already a suggestion that this Diva should be called Table 5, because the previous one was actually Table 4. And that's all because we used previous settings while creating and adding our new Diva to the app. Now we need to click Next. And in a few minutes, this second Diva will be showing exactly the same content as the previous one. And now we can see that both of our Divas are updated and showing the same exact content. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.